So, one day, merong isang lalaki, gusto niyang mahuli yung asawa niya. Kunwari, nagtrabaho siya. Kasi alam niya, yung isang lalaki nasa bahay. So, hinuli niya yung mister niya ngayon. Inuli niya yung misis niya. So, pagpasok niya sa room, minalugog niya yung bahay. Walang nakita sa CR, sa kwarto. Galit na galit siya. Nasa 12 floor sila ng condominium. Nung dumungaw siya doon sa lower floor, may nakita siyang naka-short, nag-exercise. Sa galit niya, alam niyo yung adrenaline, pag galit ka, mabubuhat mo kahit ano Yung refrigerator, binuhat niya, binagsak niya doon sa nag-exercise. Ito naman nag-exercise, walang kaalam-alam, papunta na yung refrigerator sa kanya. So bumagsak, laglag siya. Patay. Yung nagtapon ng ref, na outbalance, nahulog din. Patay din. So they are all dead. When they went to heaven, nandun si San Pedro, tinanong niya isa-isa. Sabi niya, ikaw, anong kinamatay mo? Yung nag-exercise. Sabi niya, wala akong kinalaman. Malay-malay ko, nag-exercise lang ako, bumagsak yung rep sa akin, nahulog ako O sige, pasok na sa langit. Yung isa naman, na nagtapon ng rep, sabi niya, ikaw, ano namang kinamatay mo? Na-outbalance po ako. Sa pagtapon ko ng rep, bumagsak. Namatay ako. Sige, pasok ka sa langit. Ikaw naman, anong kinamatay mo? Actually, San Pedro, buhay pa sana ako kung di tinapon yung rep Hindi nyo na-gets? Tinapon yung rep, nasa loob siya ng rep. Kailangan pang explain ko no? Ano ba naman mga klaseng audience ito? Sabi nung iba, bakit? Siya po yung nagtago sa rep na tinapon ng lalaki, bumagsak yung rep, namatay. Siya yun. Kailangan ko pang explain talaga? Okay. Based on my experience, there are 3 types of listeners during a seminar. There are 3 types. Those, let me illustrate. Can I ask someone to please sit on this chair? Sige ma'am, go ahead. Okay. Thank you very much. Just stay there. There are 3 types of listeners during a seminar. Those who are waiting something to happen. Yung naghihintay lang kung ano yung mangyayari. Number 2, those who have no idea of what is happening. Tignan nyo, paglabas dito, tanongin nyo yung mga in-invite nyo. May naintindihan ka ba? Wala. Those who have no idea of what is happening. And the number 3 type, those who want to make things happen. Yung gustong may mangyari habang sila'y nag-a-attend. And usually, those who want to make things happen, usually are rewarded and they are, most of the time, are successful. They are rewarded. Ma'am, thank you very much. Here is your reward. Thank you. Are we going somewhere? Are you getting it? So I hope at the end of the seminar, you will not be categorized as those who have no idea of what is happening or just waiting for something to happen. I hope when you exit the door, you are that audience who will make things happen. Tumahimik po kayong bigla. Para may dumaan na anghel. I'm Sharon Rose Master Nigel Arellano, the Center Head of Clark Imperial Center. A brief background of myself. I've been telling this over and over. I have no background in selling. We are not a business-minded family. My roots is we are a family of uniformed personnel. I retired from the Bureau of Jail Management Penology with the rank of senior inspector in terms of benefits. Okay? So, I became a member in 2016 because one missionary came into our jail and wanted to have a jail ministry. That's Star Master Catherine Lee, who are missionaries from Korea. So, they shared Atomy to one warden. Warden po, or I mean wardress. Babae na warden who takes care of the detainees na babae. Ang warden po doon, babae din. Sharon Rose Master Marina Chodoro. So, when Atomy was introduced to her, right there and there, because I was assigned at the regional office, in-inform niya ako. Sabi niya, may magandang company rito, free naman. Bigay mo yung ID mo. Ay, siyempre ako na, wala naman akong kaalam-alam, basta libre. Binigay ko yung ID ko. I registered. I don't know anything about Atomy. But, sabi nila, you just share the product. So, I started to share the product and I haven't had mastership at that time. But it's my first time to visit Korea. Ordinary member lang po. Out of the 4 who visited Korea, ako po yung lone survivor. Yung 3 hindi interested. So I continued to do Atomy. So while I was at the office, nagtatrabaho pa po ako noon, I already started to share the product. Kita niyo po sa picture dyan. Hindi ko lang nakunan yung picture. Naka-uniforme ako, pero may nakaipit sa kilikili ko na Herb Day. Pag hindi ka gumagamit ng Atomy product, hindi mo talaga alam kung ano yung Herb Day. Wala kang ka-idea ano ang Herb Day. Sanitary napkin. Habang naka-uniforme ako, meron kasing order, I have to distribute the sanitary napkin. Hindi po ako nahihiya. Bakit? Marangal po ang isang trabaho on sales. Although Atomy is not selling, but they need to try the products first. Okay? Mabuti na yon. Wala kang inagrabyadong tao kaysa masangkot ka sa flood control. Atomy ka. And it started from there. The group grew. Lumaki na lumaki. I became a sales master, diamond master, now Sharon Rose Master. Marami na rin po akong tour na nasamahan. Hindi ko na po, nandyan lang sa YouTube. Panoorin nyo na lang po. Okay? So, there are only 3 talking points that I want to discuss with you today. Why we need to do Atomy. We need to act on how to do it. Not only understanding the system, act on it. Na number 3, what is required of us to do it? And I would ask you, engage nyo po yung sarili nyo. Kung gagawin nyo o hindi. I'll be frank with you. There are 2 types. If you want to be a consumer, fine. Walang problema. But if you want to do it as a business, there is something we need to do. Okay? First, why we need to do it? In my research, alam nyo ba, magkano ang living wage for a family of 5, disenteng pamumuhay, sabi ng Philippine Statistics Authority, para mabuhay ang isang pamilya na 5 katao. That's about 23,787. 5 katao. Kung kayo po bibigyan ng 23,787, 5 kayong membro ng pamilya, kaya ba? Kaya ba? But this is based on record. Okay? In 5 years time, kaya pa ba? Kung 23,000 ang kinikita ng isang breadwinner na 5 katao ang membro ng pamilya. That's why we need to do Atomy. Kaya nga, for those who do not believe this, you need to listen in this discussion. Tanong, kung wala ka namang sahod na 23,700, the more you need another source of income. Ito nga, kung meron ka nito, okay lang. Decent na daw, sabi ng PSA. Okay na. Hindi lavish spending, but okay nang mag-survive. And another thing is, in 2012, the minimum wage was increased from 391 to 472. Tumaas ang sahod po. The problem is also the consumer price index, yung mga presyo ng bilihin, tumaas din. So kahit na 319, naging 472, about 20% increase, tumaas din naman yung mga bilihin by 35%. So halos wala rin naman mangyayari. Am I getting somewhere? Are you getting it? Where I am, what I am driving at? So kahit po tumaas yung sweldo sa Metro Manila or anywhere in the Philippines, kung tumataas yung bilihin, it's not enough. You need another source of income. And that's where Atomy comes in. Okay? Income potential. Think about this. Where can you find a platform? Gagamitin mo for free, sisiran mo yung mga kaibigan mo, here in the Philippines and abroad, and when the PB comes in, they match, you earn. As simple as that. But, sometimes, it is challenging. Merong mga pagkakataon na pag ginagawa mo na siya, meron pong hindi maniniwala sa inyo. Tama? Naranasan nyo na yung nag-schedule sa inyo? Isang linggo nyo kinakausap, tapos pagdating mo sa bahay, umalis? Nga. Di ba? Naranasan nyo na yung nag-invite kayo rito sa one-day seminar, oo lang oo. Tapos nung araw ng seminar, wala siya. O ano? Ano, ayaw mo na? When you want to become rich, it will not be easy. Meron ka pong kailangan gawin sa sarili mo, baguhin mo yung mindset mo. Isang mindset na hindi basta-basta nagpapatalo sa anumang rejection. Kung anumang problema, anumang pagsubok, nandyan ka pa rin. Bakit? Imagine, you want to be paid 50,000 or 60,000 a day na wala kang gagawin? Oh, that's too good to be true. That's scam. Now, have you observed walang compensation plan po? Let me walk you through, just basic, para mapakita ko po sa inyo how the system works and then we will go to our discussion. Okay? Pasadaan ko lang po yung compensation plan for the benefit of those who are first-timers. Kasi magtataka sila, how does the system work? Okay? So ito po kayo, sa mga nag-member, we will be talking of the General Commission at saka konting bonus. Remember, pag po kayo nag-sign up, every time you buy, meron kayong points, yung ID nyo. When you tell people under you, they will also use their ID, okay? Personal points din nila yon. Ngayon, kapag ang system kinompute niya lahat-lahat, it now becomes group PB, group points. Okay? Nakabase po ang komisyon kung anong level ng personal points mo. Kapag 10,000 lang yan, merong 300K, group PB, 300K, 300K, 300,000, nag-match po yan, the company will give you more or less 800 pesos. Now, if you have 300K, 300,000 points, nag-match po ito, you have more or less 2,400. Kapag meron kang personal points na 1.5 at merong 1.5 dito, 1.5, it's equivalent, 700 muna, 700K, that's equivalent to 5,000. And so on and so forth, and the last will be 50 million points. The equivalent, if you have 2.4 million at merong 50 million, that's more or less 60,000 pesos. Okay, malinaw po tayo. Here is the challenge. You have to find the right people. Okay, which I will discuss later on. It's not more on recruiting, it's more on building. Okay? Mamaya, I will tackle that. Okay? Ngayon, there are two types of consumers or people that we are getting. we need to have a member in our team. One, yung mga consumers. Number two, business doers, yung gumagawa na ng business. Here is the challenge. When you are now doing it, you need to change your mindset. Bakit? Example, meron po kayong bibisitahin. Face-to-face talk. Okay? Yun nga, hindi mo dinatnan sa bahay, umalis. So anong reaction mo? Gi-give up ka na? What is your course of action? Or you can be resilient, pwede mong balikan next time. It improves your personality. You are now growing. Nagiget niyo po? If you give up easily, that's the end of it. Tapos na. You give up na. But, if you are continuously looking for these people, there is something to overcome. Yan. Kumisan, mainit, umuulan, hindi na ako aalis. But if you are able to overcome that, umuulan, umalis ka pa rin. Sinong nag-grow? Kayo. You are able to learn. Merong mga strategies na ginawa kayo in the past, hindi umubra. So what do? You give up? Hindi. You find another way. Nakwento ko na po yung experience na to. One time, nag-orient kami sa isang reunion. Elementary classmates sila, nasa 50 years old. Imagine mo ilang taon na sila hindi nagkikita. Tapos nandito kami, mag-STP. Ang palagay mo, may nakinig sa amin? Experience now tells you, don't do that again. Who's growing? Us. Not to give up, but to be mature in doing this. Because networking business is a good business and it helps you to grow. Are you getting it? May Sige, palakpak po kayo. Hindi bawal. Have you encountered na makukulit na mga member? Matitigas ang ulo? So what is your reaction? You'll give up? But to find a way, paano i-overcome or handle yung makukulit at matitigas ang ulo. Again, I repeat, who's growing now? Us. Because of networking, because of Atomy. Pero kung wala ka rito, let us say, nagtatrabaho ka sa you are employed, pasok ka ng 8, labas ka ng 5, pasok ka ng 8, labas ka ng 5, paikot-ikot hanggang isang taon. Question, did you grow? Kung minsan mag-a-attend ka ng seminar, pasok lang dito, labas dito kasi gusto mo lang umuwi. You're not growing. But in Atomy, if you have a goal, you need to grow. Are you getting it? Okay? Aside from 27 countries, if you focus your mind, lawakan mo yung pag-iisip po natin, another 10 countries will open, like for example, Dubai, UAE, Abu Dhabi, we have Panama, we have Brunei, ang dami pong Pilipino dyan. Lawakan po natin yung isip natin. The market is the world. Where can you find a system, a platform like this that you will use for free? Wala ka pong registration, wala kang maintenance, wala kang quota, but you can tell anybody around the world. And when you are doing it, it's for free. Sana makita nyo po yung income potential na yan. Okay? Why we need to do it? Aside from money, look at this. One imperial master, okay, yung pong naka-yellow, Park Dong-chol, passed away. Imperial master namatay po. You know what happened? About third generation transferable. Please listen. Ito pong anak niya na nasa tabi niya, na-transfer yung income niya. Dahil the imperial master passed away. So na-transfer po yung kinikita niya dun sa daughter niya. Look at this. She shared how she inherited her late father's Atomy account to generate nearly 300,000 Malaysian ringgit in passive income every month. I have computed how much in peso is the 300,000 Malaysian ringgit. How much? Na-transfer sa anak niya, 4.5 million every month. Ayaw niyo ba yan? Alam niyo, magagalit yung anak niyo if you passed away and then iiwan mo sa kanya 800. 800. Tapos ang bill mo sa cremation, 150,000. Ang iniwan mong commission, 800 sa kanya. Paluwal pa siya. Di ba ang sarap niyan? Yung daughter niya receiving every month 4.5 million pesos. Because, palakpakan po natin yan. Because her father is an imperial master. Why do we need it? Why do we need to do atomy? One, inflation. We need another source of income, passive income. Transferable up to the third generation. Why do we need it? Why do we need to do atomy? You have your own reasons. It could be maybe health. Maybe health reason. That's a good reason. Bakit? Kahit po tanggap ka ng 4.5 million, pag may problema ka sa health, mauubos yan every month. Mauubos yan. Saan mapupunta? Alam nyo na kung saan. Kung saan kayo na-confine. Saan kayo na-confine? Malamang doon pumunta yan. Okay? So, think about it. Why do you do atomy? Why do we need to do it? One, for health reason, income, inflation, and everything else. Another, I read this article, when you have money, people will respect you. Do you believe that? Pag po tumanda na tayo, naging senior na tayo, at wala tayong pera, marami na po akong nakitang video, iniwan nila yung tatay nila sa barong-barong. Yung bahay, ang nag-occupy yung anak, yung tatay, pinalabas ng bahay, nandun siya dun sa pinagtagpi-tagping yero. Why? Think about this, kung yung tatay may 4.5 million a month, palagi mo palalabasin siyang ganon? Kaya niyang bumili ng isang bahay dahil may 4. Pero kung wala po, money affects everything. Yes, money is not the source of happiness. Pero what if meron ka nun? Pwede ka naman magsaya na may pera, di ba? Ba't hahayaan mong, ay hindi naman nakakasaya yung pera. O di ikaw na lang yun, wala kang pera. Ako gusto, masaya na ako, may pera pa ako. Which is better? Practical po tayo, come on. Huwag na tayong magkunwari. Kailangan natin ng pera. Kaya nga yan ang bawat taon kinukuha doon Di ba? Budget. Okay, next. 2, acting on how to do it. How do we do it? We are looking for consumers and business partners. Ito lang pong advice ko, I'm changing my strategy nowadays. Pagod na po ako. Pag hindi interesado yung tao, somehow, at any given time, we need to let go. Bigyan niyo po ng araw yung sarili ninyo hanggang kailan kayo magpapagod. Kung hindi po interesado yung tao, I'd say, give the person 3 months. Kung ayaw, diwag! Yung gusto maiwan, yung ayaw, diwag! Gusto kong kumita, hindi ko gustong magpagod lang. Di bale, matanggal na lahat sa line ko yung hindi interested, maiwan yung interested. That's where will I start. I heard this quote, give me 10,000 Filipinos and I will conquer the world. 10,000 interested. You know the story of Gideon in the Bible? Uminom sila, ang dami nila, natira 300 na lang. Bakit? Kasi yun yung mga committed at disiplinado. Hindi sila uminom dun sa river na parang aso, dinidilaan nila yung tubig. Yung kamay nila, ginamit nila. May disiplina pa rin. Sabi ng Panginoon, kunin mo yung 300, kayo makipaglaban. We don't need numbers. We need numbers who are producing, generating PB. Points po, points. Para maiwasan natin yung sinasabi ng iba, ang tagal sa atom, hindi naman ako kumita. Unang tanong, meron ka bang na-sign up? Meron. Pangalawang tanong, bumili ba yung na-sign up mo? Hindi. Ilan na-sign up mo? 100. Bumili ba silang lahat? Hindi. Hindi ka talaga kikita. Bakit? Ang pinag-usapan natin, consumer, bumibili ng product, may points. At ang pinakamatindi pa, pag nakakita ka ng isang tao that saw the value of the company, nakita niya yung potential at naging independent, gumagawa ng business with less supervision. Iyon ang magandang business doer. Which is better? A consumer or a business partner? Both. It has to be both. Yung consumer, magpapasok din yan ng PB. Kunwari, dalawa lang yung business doer mo. Pero yung isang member, 1,000 yung consumer niya, bumibili lahat yun. Regular din yung commission nun. We need consumers. Then we need business doers also. If the person is not interested, we part ways. Wala sakitan ng loob, lumayas ka na sa harapan ko. I'm saying this frankly because ewan ko po kung hanggang kailan yung gustong mapagod. We need to rest some time. And we need to be with us people who see the value of the company and the income potential. People with us, with the same mindset, working with us. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. Now, doing Atomy is like a farmer. Gaano kalaking income ang gusto mo, yun po ang kalaki ng itatanim mo. Tama? Gusto mong umani ng 10 kaban, yung mga farmers po rito na mayroong background, yun yung dami ng itatanim mo na binhi kasi gusto mong umani ng 10 kaban. And yung pong tinanim mo na yan, you have to take care of it, diligan mo, sprayan mo para mawala yung peste. If it's not only in registering, it's building. Have a mindset shift from just registering people, but to building. Because we want to have passive income. And passive income cannot be achieved overnight. It takes time. Huwag po kayong maniniwala doon sa mga company na pinapakita yung Lamborghini, pinakita yung Porsche na walang ginagawa. When you're in networking, you have to understand you need to do something. Para ka nagtayo ng business na, physical na business, you need to find consumers na bibili dun sa tindahan mo. Pero kamo, uupo ka lang dun maghapon, silang lalapit. Sometimes may lumalapit naman talaga. Pero most of the time, kung hindi mo hahanapin, hindi sila lalapit. It's like a farmer planting the seed. And growing and harvesting takes time. Am I going somewhere? Do you agree? Now, how do we do it? Ulit-ulit na pong sinabi, use and share. And then learn the concept. Sabi ng iba, Sir, nag-300 na ako, nag-300 na yung left and right ko. Bakit huminto yung komisyon? Kasi po, once na nag-match ito, the group PB resets to 0. And people will buy again. Papasok na naman yung points sa kanila, magkakaroon ka na naman ng commission. Why? Because products are daily necessities. You need to find people who are interested to use the product, mga nagtututbrush, mga nagsashampoo, mga naghuhugas ng plato. They need to be educated on the value of the product. That's building. Tandaan nyo po, I'm talking about the business doer. Pag sinabi ng tao na consumer na lang ako, fine. But you still need the person. Kasi consumer, magpapasok yun, magge-generate ng PB yun. Huwag nyo pong awayin. Pag inaway nyo, 100 yung nawala sa inyo, kunwari, ang laking PB na nawala sa inyo. 2 categories of people. Consumer and business doer. Okay? Karamihan naman po sa mga tao, they brush their teeth. Ulit-ulit na sinasabi yan. Use the product. It's not selling. Informing them. You cannot inform them. Hindi mo pa alam. Invite mo sila sa center. dito sa PUC, or, look at this, kung ikaw hindi mo pa ma-explain, hindi available yung sponsor mo, you need to learn. Anyway, it's your business. Kailangan mong matutuhan. Hindi po hanggang-hangga para tayong baby na umiinom pa ng gatas. Somewhere, somehow, you need to grow and be independent. Do atomy. That's why you need to learn. Parang may nasaktan yata. May nasagasaan yata. Alam nga naman, 10 taon na, hindi mo ba alam mag-register? You need to learn. Bakit? Yung pong mga sponsor nyo, napapagod din. Imagine, isa pa lang kayo na hindi marunong mag-register. Kung 100 kayo, malamang, ito na yung huling araw ng sponsor nyo. 100 sa left na hindi marunong 100 sa right, hindi marunong. Pag nag-attend, puro reklamo. Malamang, next month, humanap na ng ibang grupo yung sponsor nyo na hindi mahirap kausap. And you know, the sad thing is, someday you will earn, you will experience the same. Mai-experience nyo rin yan. Pag meron kayong mga interested members, papaturo sa inyo na mag-register, bumili, or mag-STP, show the plan. Paano kung di mo alam? Di ba sasakit yung ulo mo? O, kita mo, you put your shoes in your sponsor's situation. Mararanasan mo rin yan. So, ikaw na lang ang naman. Ikaw na naman ang mag-give up. Bakit? See, naranasan mo kasi. Okay. How do we learn? Well, you can go to the Success Academy. You can ask your sponsor during center seminar, webinars. We have one-day seminar here. Naghihintay na po ang sistema na kagawa na it's only you who will help yourself go here. Hindi po spoon feeding na ipakakain sa iyo. Kailangan po manggaling sa inyo yung volunteerism to learn. Ba't tahimik po kayo? Effective ba? Effective? May tinatamaan? Next. Here is what I'm saying. Baguhin na po natin yung mindset natin. Hindi lang pagre-register, recruiting. Here is the difference. A recruiter is somebody who registers. A builder is somebody who stays and let the members grow. Hindi lang yung kinuha mo yung name, address, TIN number, date of birth, Gmail, mobile, ni-register. Bahala niya sa buhay niya. No, recruiter ka lang nun. But a builder is somebody who stays and let the person grow. They grow together. They focus on number. Yung recruiter, recruit lang ng recruit. Sige, ang dami. But a builder, focus on duplication. Kung alam nyo na ang company, you find somebody else na mako-convert na kamukha mo. That's a builder. Number 3, a recruiter asks, how many signed? Ilan ba yung napasign up ko ngayon? A builder asks this person, pagkatapos kong ni-recruit, how many are developed? Ilan yung na-build ko na develop na nag-improve din? Yung nag-grow sila sa system. Not only signing up many, but how many were developed. Another, a recruiter works hard alone. Hindi po ito yung illegal recruiter, Yung nagre-recruit sa atom, talagang pagod na pagod siya, ang dami niyang sinasabi. A builder creates leverage and works with them. A builder works with the team. Alam niyo po yung leverage? Merong nag-comment ng ganito, hindi ako marunong sa computer, then humanap ka na masa-sign up na marunong sa computer. Hindi ako marunong mag-STP. So, humanap ka ng re-recruitin mo na makakapag-STP. Leverage. Pangit ng pakinggan na i-take advantage mo yung skill niya, pero makakasama mo naman sa group Are you getting it? Yung pong wala sa inyo, then go out, find them. Make them members of your team. Kasi you need them Wala pong isang tao, solo niya yung talent. Di ba? Plus factor na lang yun kung ang gandang lalaki mo na, marunong ka pang kumanta, marunong ka sumayaw, mayaman ka pa. Tapos, grabe naman, wala na naiwan sa amin. Kasi sa'yo na lahat. But each of us have talents in different ways. You just need to find them. And finding them is not easy. Yung work po na ginagawa natin, pang 2,400 ba? Pang 800 ba? O pang 60,000? It's not easy. Yes. A recruiter builds fast income. But what we are after is a lasting income that will not stop. That's the side of the builder. Are you getting it? Baguhin na po natin yung pag-iisip natin, hindi lang tayo nagre-recruit. We are builders. We want to build because we need a lasting income. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Yung mga successful na tao, sabi ni Jim Rohn, wala naman kakaiba sa kanila eh. Kaya lang, yung ginagawa nila, pinractice nila na may disiplina, araw-araw. Hindi po siya, wala pong special qualification, right? Ang pagiging successful. Kung ang magiging successful lang ay mga nag-aral ng 4-year course, yari tayo. Paano na yung walang 4-year course? Kung ang magiging successful lang yung may mga sasakyan, paano na yung walang sasakyan? But good thing is, success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practice every day. Kung ano po yung requirement ng system, gawin mo siya araw-araw. Kung nakarecruit ka ng isa, Monday, i-build mo siya. Gawin mo, just sa Tuesday, gawin mong 2. Wednesday, gawin mong 3. Thursday, gawin mong 4. O next month, gawin mo na namang isa. Araw-araw. Ulit. Sabi nila, bakit ang seminar ng Atomy? Ulit. Ba't ikaw every Sunday nag-a-attend ka sa church? Ulit. Nag-preach na si pastor, pinreach na yun. Last year, ito na naman pinreach na, ulit. Do we know everything? Are we able to absorb everything? Hindi. That's why we come back again and again and again. Number 3, what is required of us? 1, why we need to do it. We have to act on how to do it. And number 3, what is required of us? Change a mindset shift. 1, when you're doing the business, it's a skill. You need to acquire a skill. Saan ka magaling? Magaling kang mag-invite, i-cultivate mo. Magaling kang mag-talk, then cultivate that skill. Marunong kang mag-sell, although Atomy is not selling, pero yan po talaga yung pinapangarap ko. Yung paano sagutin at yung tao umorder na parang napakagaan sa loob niya, gift of selling. Although Atomy is not selling, but napakasarap po kapag meron kang talent. And you know, skill can be learned. Kung ang skill binigay ng Diyos sa isang tao, paano yung hindi nabigyan? But it can be learned. That's the good thing. Pwede pong pag-aralan. We only need time to learn it. Communication. Di ba? Meron mga taong ang gaan kausap. Skill nila yun eh. Meron mga taong ang daling yumaya ng tao. They have this leadership skill. Merong mga tao na kahit ayaw mo na, pero dahil nahihiya ka sa kanya, sumasama ka. Another relationship skill. Number 2, treat it as a business, not a hobby. Baguhin na po natin yung pag-iisip natin. Ay, ano lang ako dyan, part-time lang ako, 1 oras. Okay. Sige, 1 oras ka lang. Pero dun sa 1 oras na yon, treat it as a business. Kunwari, naka 1 oras ka, wala ka namang ginawa kundi mag-chat, manood ng video. You're not doing it as a business. Kahit na 1 oras o 2 oras, okay, fine, busy ka. But at least, put it in your mind, it is still your business. Baguhin na po natin yung pag-iisip natin na, ay, meron naman kaming tindahan eh, ba't ko gagawin si Atomy? Yung tindahan mo, marami na pong nangyari, baka kopyahin ng iba, binabaan nila yung presyo nila, bagsak yung business mo. Wala na. Pero si Atomy, nandyan pa. Bakit? Witness po kayo doon sa mga nag-testimony na gumamit ng product. They use it over and over and over and over. Number 3, more right audience. Baguhin na po natin yung pag-iisip natin. Pwede na to. Pwede nang recruitin to. Pero hindi ko po yan, mga tambay sa kanto. Ito, mga palaboy. Pwede, recruitin na natin ito. Right audience. Right people. Right partners. Gusto mong hindi magpagod? Find the right people. I'm sorry. This is just my opinion. But I've suffered a lot. Time wasted. Now I'm changing the right people. Sino po to? Anybody, basta right. Who understand the value and potential of the business na naiintindihan nila. Hindi yung basta para lang masabi may bisita ka. Pero pag naghiwalay kayo rito, nga. Hindi na bumalik. Find them who understand and take the value and the potential of the business. Nabanggit ko po kanina, there are 3 types of audience. Those who are waiting something to happen, those who have no idea what is happening, and then number 3, those who make things happen. Leaders are not built. I know you will disagree with this, but look at this. Leaders are built, not found. What I'm saying here is, kahit po nakahanap kayo ng leader ng ibang kumpanya, paano mo re-recruit sa Atomy? Iba yung sistema. That's why kailangan pa rin niyang ma-build, mag-attend, para makorek yung maling sistema niya. That's the thing na sinasabing leaders are built through seminars, not found. Especially pag magaling nga siya mag-ano, tapos tinuro niya. Magbayad kayo ng 10,000, bibigyan kayo ng package. Tapos mag-recruit kayo ng 2, magpa-package din, doon kukunin yung komisyon nyo. Yun ang tinuro niya, yari ka. Leader nga siya sa ibang kumpanya. That's why that leader should be built, makorek yung mindset niya. And number 5, Atomy business is not a sprint but a marathon. Hindi po pabilisan. Nakakita na kayong ganun? Ang daming in-invite, bulusok. Tapos next month, wala na. Ningas ko gon. Kailangan baguhin na natin yung mindset natin. Atomy is a long-term business, lasting income. That's why we need to be patient. It's not a sprint, hindi pabilisan, but how long you can stay in the company until you take the finish line. Ako po, sinabi ko po sa Clark ito, tinanong ako anong pinakamahirap sa Atomy. Yung mag-stay ka ng matagal, nandun pa rin yung motivation level mo. Kasi marami na pong mabilis ang bulusok, 3 to 4 years, wala na sila. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon. Yung patagalan, hindi pabilisan. Good, kung mabilis ka, and at the same time, nandyan ka pa rin, that's good. But in the event na hindi ka mabilis, don't worry. We will see each other at the top kasi may ceiling. Hanggang doon na lang yung mga Imperial Master, pwede pa tayong humabol. That's part of the system. You get it? So when opportunity is laid in front of us, this is the opportunity. Let me ask you, kung merong magandang opportunity na nilatag sa atin, do you still have the idea what is happening? Alam mo ba yun ang nangyayari? Sa mga audience po natin, alam nyo ba kung ano yung pinag-uusapan natin? Number 2, will you going to wait for things to happen? Mag-oobserba ka na lang ba kung ano yung mangyayari? Nakarinig na kayo ng ganito? Ay, hintayin ko muna na magiging successful siya. Pag di siya naging successful, hindi ako magjo-join. You will be waiting for something to happen? Or are you this type of person? You make things happen. If you are, if a good company, an opportunity is laid to us all, decide now. Have that speed of decision. Kung alam mo maganda, pinatunayan ng mga nag-testimony, ang daming na-promote, many people are really earning, decide now. When opportunity knocks, grab it and immerse yourself in the system. Again, I ask, will you make things happen? Or will you wait for things to happen and others have no idea what is happening? The choice is yours. Thank you very much and good afternoon po.